guy, Guilty White Boy, the regular guy, Sneakerhead, and I'm here with an unboxing on some unreleased heat. This box is dope. It's got texture on the box, just like the texture on the materials on the shoes. I'm definitely feeling that. They're getting more and more creative with these custom boxes. I feel like every release should have a custom box. They burrito wrapped them. I don't think there's any colors gonna bleed on here, so I don't know why they wrapped them like this, but I ain't tripping. Maybe Goat did it when they authenticated. But there you have it. Air Jordan 4 Paris Olympics coming out next month on the 27th. Early heat for you guys. Stay tuned, because I have a review on these later.